Hello, welcome to Composition 2 Online. I just wanted to show you some things to get you started for the week. So when you get into the course, you can click on Activities and click Start Here, Assignment number 1, Getting Started. And so this just has, it's really not an assignment, it's just a lot of information. So read over those carefully. One thing that I want you to note that during this semester, you're going to have discussion board posts, your initial post due by Wednesday. This week only, both posts are due Saturday. It's just because it's the first week and you need to have time to read and everything. But beyond this week, your initial posts are due by Wednesday, and reply posts come between Thursday and Saturday. Also on this information, I have a link to a QR code for GroupMe app. So you don't have to get this. This is not a requirement, but this would be very useful. I can send out announcements to the class this way, and you can private message me off of my Ozarka, if for some reason my Ozarka is not convenient at the time. So look into that, please. Also, we have here the course schedule for spring 2019. I like to give you a Word document so that you can always kind of look ahead and see what is due when. So anything in parentheses is the reading you should be doing for each week. And then, of course, our two important days are Wednesday and Saturday. And this week, just do everything by Saturday. And then next week, you will have this week 2 discussion post is due by Wednesday, and then the reply will be due by Saturday. I will go ahead and point out that you have a short paper, a reading response paper, that is going to be due next week, but it's open now, and you can go ahead and get into that and get the instructions if you want to be working on that. Coming out of Comp 1, you should be able to do this sort of paper without any issues. Okay, so after you read this, check out the syllabus. Read it carefully. There's a lot of important information here, a breakdown of the assignments, some information about writing, and the no late work, and make sure that you submit everything online in the assignment spot. Also, because this is an online class, you need to make sure that you have a working computer and internet without any issues there. Okay, so once you have studied the getting started and the syllabus, go to week 1. Introduce yourself on the discussion board, start reading the reading material for this week, and by Saturday, complete the discussion, the syllabus quiz, and the first chapter quiz. And again, the reading response paper, I'll go ahead and open it up because you can go ahead and get started on that as well if you would like. Alright, if you have any questions, you may email me or use the Help Me thread in the discussion board or use the GroupMe app. And I hope this is a great semester, and I hope you enjoy it. This one's a little bit more intensive than Comp 1, but it's still basically just continuing with argument and composition. Okay, I'll talk to you soon.